Hi, I'm Christy with WTI and I'm so happy because the sun is shining, which means I needed some new sunglasses. I love these. These are from MEETSUN. They have tons of different colors, but I chose the clear and pink gradient lens. First of all, it's really comfortable. It's polarized, which I have to have polarized lenses. It just adds to the clarity in your line of sight. I don't feel like the natural colors are dulled. Some sunglasses do that, not these. This also comes with a carrying case and a microfiber cleaning cloth, so you can carry these in a bag or purse and you know that the lenses won't get scratched. I think this is such a competitive price point. I have paid for sunglasses 10 times the amount roughly of these, and I love these just as much. They stay on my face, I can shake my head, and they're not falling off anywhere. So if you're looking for some fun sunglasses for the wonderful sun we're finally having, I would highly recommend these from MEETSUN. And that's my point of view.